Welcome to Kids Grab and Go Snow Globe. Take out your materials. I decided to put mine onto a cookie sheet. You'll see why a little later. First, you'll want to grab the snow globe, the clear globe that is, and twist off the top. When you set the top down, this is going to become the base for our trees and our snowman. Test where you might be placing them before we start to stick them down. With one of the Velcro dots, peel and stick to the bottom of each of the items, one by one. Noticing that this snowman is a little tinier, you can cut your dot in half, like I did, or you can leave it whole. It won't really matter once it's stuck to the base. Next, attach the second part of the Velcro dots. This might be the smooth side that will attach to the rougher bottom. Leave the stickiness facing out so that it can be stuck onto the base, otherwise known as the top to that globe. Press securely to get those items to stay firmly. Next, adding the fake snow. And this is the reason why I decided to do this on a cookie tray, because I didn't want all the fake snow to be sprinkled all over the place, especially if you have other little brothers or sisters or pets. When I dumped the whole bag in, I realized it was way too full. You might find you need to take some out, and that's what I did. So with a light sprinkling of the fake snow, I then added water, being careful not to fill it all the way past the lip. You probably want to go just below where the straight edge of the jar cap is. This way, once you push in the base, you'll have enough room. It almost looks like a blizzard in here. If you like that, there's so much more that you can discover by subscribing to our Manlius Library YouTube channel.